Hi, I'm Totally Certified just like Christmas Tree Farm, and we bought a new toy. This past spring, we bought a wood chipper that goes on the back of our 3-point, or mounts on the 3-point, goes to our tractor. And with that, it came with a shaft that was too long. We want to use our clutch that goes on the PTO just in case we catch something. I know the chipper has a shear pin, but I don't want to take a chance on breaking the tractor, so we have a clutch that goes on our PTO. So we have to take out the difference in, where the locks are on the clutch and make it up in the shaft. So we're going to shorten this guy up. So why don't you follow along and see how we do that. All right, a couple different angles here. One from my side, one from above. First thing we gotta do is remove the shields. So we find out which one's the inside, which one's the out. Here's the outside. These are just screws that kind of like cams almost. So we'll just loosen those up, turn them into the kind of unlocked position. You'll kind of feel it get a little loose, and then just give it a whack, and now the shaft will come right out. Hello. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. I have to make a shaft shorter. Yeah, don't mess with that. No, no, that's holding it all up right now, dude. Just, the other video on the pump, we just got that sorted out, and Connor was about to knock it over and break it again. Oh. All right, now we're gonna put this back together. I'm making a video. Get this thing laying flat. And we're gonna measure from lock to lock. All right. And that is about 34 inches. Let's write that down. 34. Now we want to take out the difference in the PTO shaft, or the clutch here. So we measure from the lock to the pin. That should be about 4 3/4. Now we know we have to take out 4 3/4 out of this collapsed length. Now, my dad kind of said you got to take it out of both ends, right? That makes sense. But when he said it, he's like, you got to take half out of one end, half out of the other. To me, I don't think that's right, because, if we take out 2 3/8, it's only going to be 2 3/8 shorter. We need 4 3/4. But because you can always take more off, we're going to do it. Half of the total length on each end. If we have to cut it again, we have to cut it again. So it'll be much easier. Hello. Doing anything? All right. So we're going to go 4 3/4. Half of that would be 2 3/8. 2 3/8. So, let's mark 2 3/8. Right there. Now we're going to put it in the vise. We'll get the Sawzall, give it a nice cut. Hey, what? These are the shaft guards. They go over the shaft so you don't get spun around in here. That is the receiver for the microphone that I'm wearing right here in my chest. Ouch. Yeah, the sun's going down. What? Yeah, they're getting
I had a bit of trouble walking home because the dirt was on the sidewalk.
Yeah, they're putting in a fiber optic cable in the neighborhood.
Well, adios.
See ya.
I don't really do that super
What? No. What?
What is this stuff in it?
Grease.
What is that thing?
It is a deburring tool.
Yeah, what is that? Wow. That's good. Well, let's get on my friend. The second phase was obviously So, are you using this part or the other part?
They both slide together. It slides in and out of each other.
I'll be the teacher.
All right, one down. Do the other half. And then we'll be, after this cut, we'll be halfway done because I think we'll have to take more out of it. I'll bring Dad a coffee if he's right. But we are at 34. We want to go on 4 3/4 out. That would give us, what, 29 1/4, right? Overall length. So, we'll see if that's it once we're done here. All right, I had a deburring tool for the inside. We'll use a filer for the out. All right. 34. So we're looking for 29 and 1/4. And we are at 31 and a half, which makes sense. So we need to take another 2 3/8 out of each end. I knew it. I knew it. Let's just add those up. Perfect. Beautiful. Get that file down. All right, we're looking for what, 29 and 1/4 inches now? There. That looks pretty good. Perfect. So if we plugged in our PTO, our clutch, got it locked into place, we should be pretty close to our original 34 inches here, right? So the lock is about here, going down, and right there is 34. I'd say we're in good shape. We'll take that off. And now we'll cut the tubes down. We'll just take off the 4 3/4 out of each side. Four 3/4. All right. one tube. Two tubes. All right, for demonstration purposes, we'll put it all back together. But before I, use it again, I'm gonna take it apart, get all the metal shavings out of it, clean it up, re-lube it, do a nice job. So, small shaft gets a small cone. Drop this thing in there, line up the holes. Try to stand this on its edge. Push that in, twist these cam locks back to their locked position. We see it comes over like at the edge. Same thing on this side. There we go. And this is why I'm going to clean this all up, right? We don't want all those shavings inside our shaft, gouging up and season it up. Just like that. Nice bump on the camera. Third time's a charm, right? There it is. Our new correct length shaft. Look at me, all dirty just in time for dinner. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Real quick. So what do we learn? We learn that you take the full amount out of each end if you want to shorten the shaft. Makes sense because it's going to bottom out on something, and it's got to bottom out the whole length. So, all right. Thanks for watching.